So I will be sharing with you how to preserve your dry fish for at least 6 months. So all what you need is a bag. You need a bag to put your dry fish. So the first step you'll be taking for you to preserve your dry fish very well is for you to sun dry it. That's what I did. I had to put it under the sun for at least 3 days. Today is the 3rd day. So the next thing I'll be doing is for me to store them inside my freezer. So I'm going to be putting them inside my bag. If your fish is not really big, you can use a Ziploc bag. But so for mine, I'll be using this black nylon since the fishes are a bit big and it won't contain the Ziploc bag. So that's why I opt for this other nylon. So I'm going to be putting them inside. And then outside it. So this is the first bag. I'll do same for So you just put it inside your freezer. This is the second one. So this can last for at least 6 months and it won't get spoiled. Alright guys, so this is how to preserve your dry fish for a longer period of time. Thanks so much for watching this video today and do have a blessed day. Bye.